continuous probability distribution when both the random variables are continuous random variables. So what we see here is that it can be expressed as a function x plus y by 3, and since all of you know that probability should total 1, when I double integrate this function with its limits, you can see how it has actually integrated to 1. Fair? All good? Okay. So now here I have an equation for a normal distribution, and if I integrate that equation with these limits minus infinity to infinity, what do you think the answer would be? Observe this and compare and tell me what do you think the answer will be for this. Say something. You in the green dress. Yeah, behind the other green dress. You. What do you think the answer is? Will you what? Yes, no, say something. Get out, get out.